Okay, this lecture has luckily completed things, but I wanted to teach you a point from the salient features of Human Genome Project, one which can be discussed little more conceptually. So we are going to do a question based information. In humans, the largest gene, which is also called as longest gene, is present on X chromosome. Answer is C. Okay. So X chromosome is not like an autosomal chromosome, but still it carries the largest gene for the product of it. So what is the product? And we have an interesting disease with alteration of this product. The gene is called as DMD gene, the longest gene in the human DNA is called as DMD gene. DMD stands for Duchenne muscular Duchenne. Okay, we have different pronunciation. Muscular dystrophy. So time since I started teaching botany, I always say trophic means nutrition. Dystrophy means the muscle, especially the skeletal muscles, that means the muscles which are attached to the skeleton, and the cardiac muscle starts getting thinned off. That means if a person has a muscle in the hand, if that person is suffering from this disease, the diameter of the hand will reduce because the muscle is thinning down. Dystrophy. It becomes small, degenerates, and finally death occurs. And usually this is seen in boys. Okay. And Duchenne is a French physician who discovered and understood the pathology of the disease. And this is normally meant for a protein called dystrophin. Even a normal protein is named as dystrophin because any change in this protein is responsible for a clinical condition called as DMD. So even a normal protein or a product of the gene is named as dystrophin. Okay, and this is, it takes 16 hours to transcribe because it is longest. And the gene is 0.08% of total genome. You see, this much percentage of total DNA is responsible for one protein. Okay, of total DNA. And this is supposed to have 79 exons. How long is the gene? How lengthy is the transcription? Such long duration. And imagine the translation. This is a very unique protein synthesized by longest gene present on X chromosome. Any change in this protein is responsible for progressive muscular dystrophy. The muscle starts wasting and the person dies because of the cardiac failure. This is DMD gene, the longest gene.